barely get your knife in there. When you get to the fins, it gets a little bit more difficult. If you get it just right, you can go straight through. But there's a bone in between here. If you cut it just like I just did, you can go straight through. Hello, my name is Bob. I like to eat people. Really?
Yes.
How's that disgusting? It's fun. Look at he's happy.
What's this?
That's not disgusting. Look how happy he is. Look. He's sticking his tongue out. Get a little close up on his tongue now. Alright, now the guts part. This is the fun part. We got that one. This is the worst part.
Random stuff. You ever do that?
Yeah, sometimes. But there's no reason for me to do that. I cut enough fish, I've seen enough shit. Next step, dry up any excess blood. Blood! I'm gonna soak your blood. Remove the layer there. Alright. That's why paper towels are the best. Next up, change your gloves. And this part, the rest is easy. You just, yeet the tail off and you're good to go. I'm like a doctor, right? Dr. Will Drakus. Here comes the fun part.
Damn.
That could have been your finger, so don't put your finger around here now. You might lose a hand.
Easily.
Very easily. So here, it's hard to find their bones coming up across the top. So you just keep it real shallow when you're chopping their torso up, you know? Come across the backside, you're following the bones. Next thing you do, slowly feel the bones. Slowly. You hear that noise?
Mm-hmm.
It's like an echo. Taking the rib cages out, you know? Next step, come in here. So there's these little ligaments that connected in here, and you want to just barely cut them on one side, and the same thing on the other side. Yellowtail is a very delicate fish. The meat will break easily and you ruin it. Come back to the other side. And you could easily just chop right through. know because this particular black like thing here is like the bone. It connects. It's only inside the bone. It releases itself after you cut it just right. If you don't have that black line, you weren't cutting your fish right. So you just remove it. You know, I'm sure you can eat it. I'm sure it tastes great. You're gonna see this right here, the little white part. When you've done it right, that's gonna be left there. So the next step will be cutting half, cutting half. We're not gonna take the skin off right now. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Yeah, there's bones right here, see? So there's what they call bloodline in between them. So we're not gonna eat that. It's a much quicker, just to kind of flow with it. Just cut them out. You could pull them out, but before you tear up the fish. Now you wanna square this off because you want to look pretty. My knife is so sharp I cut the bone in half. Long one. Cleaner cuts. Little knife is not bad. Not bad for it, but it's not a challenge. We're just gonna break in half for now. We're gonna take off the, whatever excess liner there is that we don't need. My knife might be a little dull. What do you think?
I doubt it.
We need a new one. I'll say yes. So I go buy a knife. Just need a new knife. That's all. Only came from Japan. There are a few knives that I absolutely want, and when you see them, you'll be like, is that even real? It's like it's just You came from heaven.
Probably
If
is.
heaven. It's a ninth heaven that I want to go to. So remove the black parts, whatever you can. You know, obviously you're not going to get to have your hands on fish anytime soon.
I don't think I ever will.
No, yeah, you will. If you want to.
Will you ever trust me?
Yes, I'll trust you on a, you know, an old fish or something.
Yeah.
Something different. Well, there's ways of teaching without having to touch the good fish. Touching the good fish is something you have to earn. I earned it.
Yeah.
Otherwise I wouldn't be here. Now, since I don't want to dull my knife too bad, we're going to use the Deba.
Which is really sharp.
Okay, leave the hole. Alright, we're done with that video.
All right.